Hi. So today I want to show you the checkpoint and checkpoint lab. Good afternoon all. Basically, checkpoint is starting from the is a next generation firewall. If I something if checkpoint if I created a firewall or anything, so before that we have named a few of the next generation firewall. That's called next generation firewall is significant the NGFW. Okay, NGFW is basically called to be next generation firewall. That means you can do the almost all the things is called UTM, Unified Threat Manager. So you can do it. So checkpoint is now. I want to show you the few things like checkpoint is basically two type of architecture. Okay, now firewall is two type of architecture. One is standalone, and second is distributed architecture. Okay, distributed means if you have a multiple machine and you can control over the centralized system. Standalone means if this is the box. Okay, this box can be managed. You can manage the firewall and all those things. Okay, so that's called to be standalone firewall. And distributed means if you have a one management firewall can push the policy over this gateway firewall. Okay, this is a management firewall. So this is called distributed architecture. So before that we have started the implementation and all those things we can show the over the labs. So now we have to understand the architecture and distributed architecture. My lab is showing the distributed architecture. Okay, so this is basically now it does all the production environment working as a distributed architecture. Okay, so standalone just for information management and firewall both in same device. Okay, and now all the device all the firewalls support the UTM. That means multiple products like if you have a products like anti-spam, okay, and fire that mean web filtering, okay, URL filtering, and IPS. So this type of things and mail server, mail phishing, okay, it's called mail phishing. You can do it over this, so that's called UTM supported about this. But this is a complete the firewall. So multiple firewall nowadays. Okay, but I want to show you about the checkpoint. This is a very good very good part about it. Okay, checkpoint firewall. Okay, so this is the things about mail phishing. You can do it over this. So and basically, if you want to give the more informations, this is a complete you can get the more information. Multiple firewall nowadays. Okay, but I want to show the if you have required for the any kind of lab part, so you can please contact me. Okay, just like checkpoint firewall. So this is the things about now today's class. Okay, and basically if you want to give the more informations you can get the more information is the next video. And if you do the record the if you have required for the any kind of lab, so you can please contact me. Okay, just like my number is you can show over the PPT. So I want to show them about the PPT. So how does it communicate and how does it those things? So I can show over it. So just a minute. Let me open first my PPT. So I give it a detail. This is a checkpoint already. Earlier I already given my brief example what is checkpoint. So this is a checkpoint firewall. Okay, this is a checkpoint already Gaia we have asking and we have okay, this is a checkpoint already Gaia we have asking and we have talking about this. Before checkpoint already Gaia it is used for the IPSO. Okay, this is the call to IPSO OS. Okay, this checkpoint box is there, but which operating system is working IPSO. Okay, next is coming to the splat. Okay, splat is splat. Next is come to the Gaia. Gaia multiple version is working, so we are focusing on the Gaia. IPSO and splat it is almost obsoleted. Okay, there is no longer use. Okay. Next is come to the your basically your checkpoint architecture. Okay, I already told you this is checkpoint architecture is this is standalone architecture. I already give it to the example complete things. Okay, so this is no more brief right now, and this is checkpoint architecture. Okay, this checkpoint is standalone architecture. This is the main crucial part. Okay, and distributed architecture, and you can go through over these documents. Okay, checkpoint advanced firewall. Okay, this is most important things, and if you do the any kind of Advanced firewalls details. Okay, what is the next generation firewall? What is happening? What is UTM? There is already mentioned in there. Let's go through about it. Okay, and checkpoint lab. If you want to checkpoint lab, if you want to do so, please contact this 974-66756, and or either you can mail over this support at the producttechlab.com. Okay. Next is number three, and checkpoint firewall inside, and there is a few things there. Okay, one is for the security management. Okay, security management, very important things, and smart consoles. Okay, all the policies and all those things we can convert to the smart console, and the smart console is push the policy checkpoint GUI based things, and you can put the policy, security policies you can put over this configuration, configure device. Okay, monitor products and events also. Okay, security management, this management firewall is completely control the all the gateway firewall. Okay, all the gateway firewall, this is remember about it, all the gateway firewall. Okay, okay, all the gateway firewall you can manage over this checkpoint management firewall. We can show you over this lab. Okay, and over this lab I will show you. And checkpoint syllabus, if you see the checkpoint syllabus, so basically this just a minute. Okay, and this checkpoint syllabus. Okay, so syllabus, we can manage the security management. Okay, security management is smart console deployment. How does it deploy checkpoint management server, license and contracts? I give the detail. Policy and rule base. Okay, policy package, policy layers, traffic inspection, network netting, application control, URL filtering, login, snapshot, backup, Gaia detail, permission, policy manager. So all the topics you can give to the checkpoint, and this is also using for CCSA certification purpose of RAT series Gaia versions, and as well as it is used for the production environment. Okay, prod environment. This is very important. Okay, so now checkpoint lab architecture. What is the lab architecture is in my lab, so I want to show you what this is basically lab environment. So I already told you this is distributed architecture in my lab. Okay, see, this is basically one management firewall, one two gateway firewall. I also show you the high availability HA. This is most important. There is a one switch. Okay, and this is a one L2 switch, and this is the VLAN. All the SBI is configured. SBI will be configured over this. Okay, there's one internet connection, two servers for this red server, blue servers, on radius servers, and this is the internal users. Okay, so today is the first class about it, and this is that's all from my end. We are watching for the next second class. Thank you so much.